Now we're back at the main diagnostics menu. Now earlier, if the auto VIN detect did not detect your VIN number, you can manually select your vehicle. So for example, this is a Nissan. I'll select Asia. Here I'll select Nissan. You can manually enter the VIN number and then go into the diagnostic menu. Escape to get out. Press the MaxiCOM home button. Let's go into service. In this service menu, you have many options. Now these service items are not applicable for all vehicles, so keep that in mind. We have the oil reset to reset the oil maintenance light. EPB is electronic parking brake. If you do any servicing on the parking brake, you may need to reset the service using this option. Next we have TPMS to service the tire pressure monitor system. Next to it is BMS, that's a battery management system. Some vehicles require you to reset the service light when you replace the battery. Next is brake bleed, if you're bleeding the brakes. Over here we have DPF to reset the diesel particulate filter on a diesel vehicle. Next to it is IMMO keys. This is for the immobilizer, and you can use this option to activate, deactivate, and program keys with immobilizer chips on it. Here we have the injector. Next to it is SAS. This is a steering angle sensor service. On some vehicle you may need to reset the steering angle after you service it. Next to that is suspension. At the bottom we have throttle. Next to it is window and roof, seats, odometer, language change. On the next page we have headlight, change tire size, TEC learn, and transmission adaptation. Back on the main screen, here we have the shop manager. This will allow you to manage the workshop information, including customer information, the vehicles that were tested, and manage customer information. Here we have vehicle information. As you can see, it recorded the vehicles that we diagnosed. Workshop information. Here you can enter your workshop information. Customer management. Here you can add information for the customer. At the bottom we have data manager. This will allow you to store, print, review the saved files. If you took any screenshots earlier, it will be saved in the image. PDF is a reader. Review data will allow you to review any saved data. You can use a scroll bar at the bottom to navigate to different frames. Data logging. This option allows you to send data to Autel for them to troubleshoot and assist you with any problems. Let's go into settings. Here you can change the unit of measure, language, printing setup, firmware upgrade, notification center, multitask, auto update, system settings, and about. At the bottom of the screen we have the back button, the home button, recently opened apps. There's a Chrome browser. You can use this to look up OBD information. This icon next to the Chrome browser with the scissors is for taking screenshots. So if you press and hold for a few seconds, it'll take a screenshot. Next to it is the MaxiCOM home button. So if you go into one of these menus and you want to go back home, press that icon. Next to it is a diagnostic shortcut, same as this button right here. And then the last one on the right is a service shortcut, same as this icon right here. Now one thing to note is make sure you exit any diagnostic functions that you're currently in before you power down the tablet. If you force a shutdown, that communication with the ECM on the vehicle may cause some problems on some vehicles. As you can see, this Autel MaxiCOM MK808 is packed with a lot of features. This portable tablet-style diagnostic tool is able to read and clear codes for all available systems on your vehicle. It can display live data in text, graph, and analog format for easy data review. With the auto VIN technology, it can automatically identify the vehicle's make, model, and year very quickly, so you can quickly dive into diagnosing your vehicle. The tool also includes a comprehensive list of services you can perform, such as the IMMO or immobilizer function, and the support of DPF regeneration for diesel engines. You can reset service mileage and service intervals, also TPMS sensor relearn. The overall design is very good with a large 7-inch touchscreen display. The MaxiCOM user interface is very well laid out.
This is a great tool for those of you who are do-it-yourselfers or if you're a technician. If you want to learn more about this diagnostic tool, I will include the link in the description below. Let me know what your thoughts about this tool and leave a comment below. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you for watching.